How to post a GIF on Facebook. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Facebook application on your phone. As you can see, you will then be brought to the Facebook homepage. Here, you can view posts from friends and pages that you follow on Facebook. On this page, go to the status box at the top. Then, scroll down and tap on GIF from the options. From here, you can choose or search for GIFs to post on Facebook. Select the GIF you want. You can add a description for this GIF if you want. Here, you can also manage the post settings from here, such as post audience. Once you're done, tap on Post at the top right corner. You have now successfully uploaded this GIF to Facebook. Following these steps, you can easily post a GIF on Facebook. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.